writing your dissertation. It is acknowledgement. See, in every book, in every dissertation, thesis, one page is dedicated for acknowledgement. One page, समर्पित म्हणतो आपण मराठीमध्ये. काही जण डेडिकेटेड करतात. And some people are writing acknowledgements also. And writing acknowledgement is the most important part of dissertation. Writing acknowledgement is the most important part of dissertation. And after that, declaration from the candidate is most important. Declaration from the candidate. See, candidate has to declare that the research work is the original research work completed under the guidance by me. You write here by me. See, by me under the guidance of whatever is the name. Here, as a part of MA program semester number 16. And no part of this dissertation has been taken from any other book or thesis. This declaration you have to state. कारण बऱ्याच विद्यार्थ्यांना इकडून तिकडून चोरून घ्यायची सवय असते. वाङ्मय चोरी म्हणतो त्याला. वाङ्मय चोरी, प्लॅगरिझम. The word is used for that is the plagiarism. इथं देतो तो हा. हे plagiarism. The term is here typed plagiarism. It is highlighted also. The term is here typed and highlighted. See. Dissertation, articles, e-material, website, without duly acknowledging. त्याचा कुठेही रेफरन्स न देता किंवा रेफरन्स म्हणून उल्लेख न करता एखाद्या पुस्तकामधून आपण कोटेशन, काही पेजेस, काही लाईन्स जर घेतलं तर that will come under plagiarism. That is the most important. And student has to give that declaration. मी कुठल्याच पुस्तकातून किंवा माझ्या थिसिस मधले जे काही मटेरियल आहे ते कुठल्याच पुस्तकातून किंवा थिसिस मधून किंवा इतर स्रोतांतून मी अक्नॉलेज न करता घेतलेलं नाही असं तुम्हाला डिक्लेअर करावं लागेल. आणि युअर सिग्नेचर इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट. See here, and your name, place, date, so that in future जर कोणी तुमच्या डिसर्टेशन मधील, थिसिस मधील काही लाईन्स जर सांगितलं की हे लाईन्स ह्या पुस्तकामधून घेतलेले आहेत, कुठलाही रेफरन्स न दाखवता हे लाईन्स ह्या पुस्तकामधून घेतलेले आहेत, हे प्लॅगियरिझम मध्ये येतं असं कोणी जर तक्रार केलं तर ते ऍक्शन घेण्यासाठी दिस डिक्लेरेशन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. This declaration is most important. See, after the declaration, certificate of the supervisor is also most important. तुम्ही declaration दिलं पण certificate सुद्धा दिलं पाहिजे supervisorना. Which certificate? That the thesis or the dissertation entitled Shakespeare's Othello as a Tragedy submitted as a part of MA program is the original research work carried out by XYZ. That is the name of the candidate. Under my guidance, हे माझ्या गायडन्स खाली हे काम केलेलं आहे आणि यातला कुठलाही भाग कोणत्याही परीक्षेसाठी किंवा कोणत्याही डिग्रीसाठी प्रिस्क्राईब केलेला नाही किंवा कोणत्याही पुस्तकामधून घेतलेलं नाही असं मी सर्टिफिकेट देत आहे. This certificate should be given by the supervisor. See, that is also most important. Supervisor signature is also most important because supervisor is also equally responsible for any kind of plagiarism done by the candidate. विद्यार्थ्यांनी जर काही वाङ्मय चोरी केलेला असेल तर ते शोधण्याचं काम सुपरवायझरचं आहे. त्याने सुपरविजन करायचं आहे. जर अशा प्रकारे प्लॅगियरिझम त्या डिसर्टेशन मध्ये किंवा थिसिस मध्ये दिसून आलं then supervisor is also equally responsible. It is his moral duty to check the dissertation seriously, minutely. That dissertation should be free from the plagiarism. the certificate from the supervisor. Certificate from the supervisor. Now see, abstract. Abstract writing comes at the very beginning of the dissertation. Abstract comes at the very beginning. What is abstract? Short summary of your dissertation in only 1 page, 2 page. See here, 2 to 3 pages. You can write in only 2 to 3 pages. See, 2 to 3 pages. Short summary of your dissertation is called as abstract. See, it is possible when we see a movie of 3 hours, we narrate that movie in 5 minutes to our friends. See, that is summary. We are giving the summary to our friend within 5 minutes, though that film is of 3 hours. In the same way, in your abstract, you have to give a short summary of your dissertation in 2 to 3 pages. See, a short summary of your dissertation should be given in your dissertation, in the very beginning of your dissertation. See, that is most important. See, that abstract should reflect whatever is given in your dissertation. It is the mirror of dissertation. Dissertation मध्ये जे काय सांगितलंय that should be reflected in your abstract. It is the mirror of your dissertation. See, that abstract informs the reader what are about to read. What we are going to read in the dissertation is informed in the abstract. पूर्ण डिझर्टेशन वाटायची आवश्यकता नाही. अबस्ट्रॅक्ट वरून सुद्धा लक्षात येतं की ते पुस्तक कशा संदर्भातील आहे. बरेच पुस्तकाच्या शेवटाला अबस्ट्रॅक्ट दिलेला असतो. If you read, this is the book. See, at the end of this book, abstract is given. At the end of this book also, abstract is given. See here, that is everywhere, in every book, in every dissertation, in every thesis, you will come across abstract. Because that abstract will give us the information about what is given in the dissertation, what is reflected in the dissertation. See, what is reflected in the dissertation, that is called as abstract. See here, that is writing a short summary of dissertation. See, highlighting all important points, chapter, schemes, and conclusions. See, chapter schemes should be reflected in the abstract. Conclusion should be reflected. All important aspects should be reflected in the abstract. See, like objectives, reviews, methodology, analysis, conclusion, everything should be reflected in the abstract. But it should be written in 2 to 3 pages only, not more than 2 to 3 pages. See here. And remember, in abstract writing, references or bibliographies are not given. References are not given in abstract. There is no need to references in abstract. See, that is the most important part of your dissertation. And abstract comes immediately after certificate from the supervisor. Immediately after the certificate, abstract comes in the dissertation. See here. Then content page is there. See, everywhere content page is there. If you see the book, see this book. In the book itself, you will come across the content page. See, content page. Everywhere, that content page is given. See here. For example, the dissertation. Like I have a dissertation with me. See this dissertation. This is the dissertation for PhD from Karnataka University, Dharwad. See, from Karnataka University, Dharwad. Here, you will come across that content page also. See, here, you will come across the content page. See, now, writing content page is also equally important. See, writing content page is also equally important. It is the most important part of your thesis. Content is the most important part of your thesis. Because that content will inform you what is given on what page, page numbers, and the information about the most important chapters on the page numbers are given. title page, acknowledgement, declaration, certificate, observation, and abstract. These things will also, these are the minor things. These minor things will come in content also, giving Roman numbers are given here, small Roman numbers are given. And after that, chapter 1, chapter number, title of the chapter, page numbers are also given here. Chapter number 1, introduction, 1 to 10 pages. Chapter number 2, theoretical framework, 11 to 15 pages. Chapter number 3, William Shakespeare life and work, 16 to 18 pages. Chapter number 4, William Shakespeare's Othello as a tragedy, 19 to 45 pages. And conclusion, 46 to 60 pages. And bibliography, 61 to 65 pages. See, this is the way of writing contents. Now remember, page numbering, title of the chapter will be changed here. See, page number and title of the chapters will be changed as per the requirement of your dissertation. See here, as per the requirement of your dissertation, page numbers will be changed and titles will be changed. But content is the inseparable part of dissertation. See, content is the inseparable part, most important part. See, content is the most important part of your dissertation. See, you need to concentrate on the content page also. See, that is most important, because if I see that content page, I will come to know that the theoretical framework is given on so page. See, introduction is given on so page. Bibliography is given on so page. Conclusion is given on so page. See, I will come to know about all these things. And that is why it is essential to write the content page also. See, that is also most important. Now the first chapter. Chapter 1, introduction. As we studied in the content page, chapter 1 is the introduction. See, introduction should be in 1 to 2 pages. See, or more than 5 pages here. You cannot write more than 5 pages introduction. In the introduction, what will come? In the very beginning, the statement of, see here, statement of problem of dissertation should come here. Problem of dissertation should come in the very beginning. See, this is the statement or problem of dissertation. This is the statement or problem. What is the statement of your problem of your dissertation? What is the problem of your dissertation? The problem of your dissertation is, see, this is the problem here. Which is, see, this one is the problem. The present thesis attempts to study. See, the present thesis or research dissertation attempts to study William Shakespeare's Othello as Shakespearean tragedy. As a Shakespearean tragedy. See, that is most important. As a Shakespearean tragedy. Now you have to write what is Shakespearean tragedy. You have to write what is Shakespearean tragedy. Who was William Shakespeare? How many tragedies are written by William Shakespeare? What is the tragedy? What are the characteristics, features of tragedy? Who wrote the first tragedy? What is classical tragedy? What is Spanish tragedy? What is Shakespeare tragedy? How Shakespeare tragedy is different from classical tragedy? So all these things should come in the introductory part of your dissertation. See, all these things should come. First statement, then definition, characteristics, types of tragedies should come. See, all these things should come. And here, after the statement of problem, background study should come. Background study. Now, when you are going to study William Shakespeare, at that time, you have to view the background of William Shakespeare. Elizabethan tragedy. See, then use of method. Which method you are going to use? You have to state in one paragraph. Then hypothesis. You have to state in one paragraph. See here. So again, conclude the chapter schemes. Short summary of your chapter should come, and conclusion of that first chapter should come here. And then references. All references should come here. How to write references? See, reference writing is also most important. Reference writing is also most important part of dissertation. For example, I would like to give you one example, reference example. See, Shakespeare, William, full stop. Shakespeare, William, full stop. 1595, full stop. Othello, Othello is italic. Remember, Othello is here italic. See here. Then comma. Othello is here italic. Then comma. Then Penguin Books or Penguin Publication. Penguin Publication, comma. Then London. Stop. This is the way of writing. This is the way of writing. What is it? Bibliograph. बघा bibliograph कसं आहे? Your references. See, at the end, references will come. किती पुस्तक वापरले for writing the introduction? How many books you have used? See, you have write the name of the books in this way. See, you have write the name of the books in this way. That this is the most important part of reference writing. See, this is the references. One example is given here. Shakespeare, comma, William, full stop, 1595, full stop, Othello, in italic. एक तर italic मध्ये घ्या. Italic मध्ये घेता येत नसेल तर you can write here underline. Just write underline also. Underline करू शकता. Penguin Books, that is the name of the publication. London, that is the place of publication. तो publish झालेला आहे. Place of publication, name of publisher, name of the book, date of publication, and name of the author should come in reference writing. What's the point? लक्षात येतं का? Reference writing लक्षात येतं का?
Yes, sir.
See here, very simple one. Name of the author, date of publication, title of the book, name of publisher, and place of publication. All these things should come in the writing of references. References should be written at the end of every chapter. Here, references should be given at the end of every chapter. That is also most important. At the end of every chapter, reference should be given. You have to give the references at the end of every chapter. That is the most important part of the dissertation. What is the point? This is the first chapter. This is the first chapter. What is the point? लक्षात येते का? Any problem?
No, sir.
Problem? No problem. Okay. Now next, that is the second chapter. Theoretical. What is the title? The title of your second chapter is theoretical framework. Theoretical framework. आता theory तुम्हाला द्यायचं आहे. आता तुम्ही टायटल काय घेतलेलं आहे? विलियम शेक्सपियर्स Othello as a tragedy. Now you have to state what is tragedy. You have to state kinds of tragedy. You have to state what is classical class. तुम्हाला हे दिले types दिले classical tragedy, Spanish tragedy, Shakespearean tragedy, modern tragedy. See, you have to state all these tragedies. Characteristic features of these tragedies. Then you have to state the difference between classical and Shakespearean tragedy. Then Shakespeare's major tragedies. And then conclusion. And after that conclusion, reference writing is there. References are also there. See, this is the way of writing theoretical framework. Suppose the title is Feminist Approach to the Study of William Shakespeare's Othello. इथं काय येईल? Tragedy ऐवजी what is feminism? See, the beginning of feminism. Characteristic features of feminism. See here. Contributors of feminism. Shakespeare as a feminist writer. Then conclusion. feminist approach, you have to write feminism. If there is a psychological approach, you have to write psychological approach. If there is a deconstructive approach, you have to write what is deconstruction, structuralism, post-structuralism, any kind of theory. See, will come there, and that theoretical framework should be stated in the first, sometimes, or in the second chapter. Sometimes the same this second chapter is added in the first chapter also. See, and second chapter is deleted entirely. See, but theoretical framework should be given in your dissertation. See, that is also the most important. Now, third chapter, William Shakespeare's life and work. Who was William Shakespeare? The contribution given to the William Shakespeare to the Elizabethan plays. William Shakespeare as a tragic writer, William Shakespeare as a comic writer, William Shakespeare as a writer of tragicomedy, William Shakespeare as a writer of historical plays. See, you have to write all these things. And William Shakespeare as a world playwright. And after that, references. After that, references there. See, this is the life and work of William Shakespeare. This is the contribution given by William Shakespeare to his to British drama, to Elizabethan drama. All these things should be given as a William Shakespeare as a world playwright. See, what is the place of William Shakespeare at international level? You have to state like this. So this is the third chapter. It is William Shakespeare's life and work as a third chapter. See here, fourth chapter, that is the most important chapter. That is the soul of your dissertation. Shakespeare's Othello as a tragedy. That is the soul. आतापर्यंत आपण जे सांगितलं that is also essential. But this chapter is the soul of your chapter. This chapter is the soul. See, once again, William Shakespeare's tragedies and Othello, one page. See, sources for writing Othello, one or two paragraphs. कुठले सोर्स वापरले विलियम शेक्सपियरने Othello लिहिण्यासाठी? Short summary of Othello, 4 or 5 pages. Portrayals of characters in Othello, 3 or 5 pages. Dramatic strategies employed in Othello, 4 or 5 pages. Othello as a tragedy, analysis and discussion, 15 to 20 pages. And your impression about Othello as a tragedy, 1 page. That is conclusion. And then reference writing. Reference writing, it may be 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, depends upon the sources employed at the time of writing dissertation. See, this is the fourth chapter. This is the fourth chapter. Got the point? Fourth chapter. Got the point? Fourth chapter. See here. This is the fourth chapter. And last chapter, that is called as conclusion. See here. Was William Shakespeare. Short summary of previous chapters. Which is chapter त्याची थोडक्यात माहिती द्यायची आहे, 2 to 3 pages. Your findings, your impressions, your ideas about that Othello in 1 or 2 or 3 pages. And prove how hypothesis come true and valid, 1 page. And suggestions and scope for further study, 1 page. Suggestion. जरी Othello, suppose you have taken the topic Othello as a tragedy. Though I have limited my discussion, my research to the William Shakespeare's Othello as a tragedy, but the other people can study that Othello in a different way, in a different manner also. Suggest them which are these manners. Suggest. See, which are the other ways of studying Othello. That is comic elements in Othello. See here. Delineation of women characters in Othello. Use of chorus in Othello. See, use of minor characters in Othello. Use of language in Othello. Use of music and songs in Othello. See, different ways are there. You can suggest these different ways in your suggestions, scope for further studies. And last part, is the bibliography. Last part of your thesis, your dissertation is the bibliography. See, bibliography comprises of primary source, then secondary source, and then bibliography. These are the various sources. Primary source, that is original textbook. It is called as original textbook. See, William, Shakespeare, William. See, this is the primary source. Shakespeare, William, Othello, London, Newland publication. See, secondary source, that is the books written on William Shakespeare's Othello. किंवा विलियम शेक्सपियर वरती लिहिलेले पुस्तक आहे. These books, journals, articles will come under secondary source. And bibliography, that is the material available on the website. Material available on the Google website, bibliography, that is called as bibliography. You have to state all these, the books, original books, that is primary source, reference books, that is called as secondary source, journals, articles, dissertations, thesis, and web links in your bibliography. Bibliography is nothing but the list of books and other reading material and sources used and employed by the research scholar at the time of writing dissertation. All these things should come here in this. This is the way of writing bibliography. This is the way of writing bibliography. Got the point? Any problem for you people? Sinte, Susata, Survashi, Jadhav, any problem? You people are not listening. I hope how to write dissertation is very clear, because from the last 1.5 years we have been studying research methodology. That is, the road is already prepared. How to write a dissertation? Road is already prepared. Right from the first semester, second semester, third semester. See, all points are already covered. Only thing is that one design is just represented in front of you, so that it becomes possible for you to write a dissertation. Now the choice of topic. Choice of topic. Sujata Sinte.
Yes, sir.
You come to the, you should be visible now. Now allot the topics. Topic allotment होणार आहे. You should be visible now. Sujata Sinte.
अरे यार
Be visible now. Tell me your topic. Sujata Sinte, visible म्हणजे काय? आपण दिसलं पाहिजे. स्क्रीन वरती आपण दिसलं पाहिजे.
Yes, sir.
सांगा टॉपिक दिसत नाही ना आपण.
Sir, एक minute.
सुजाता शिंदे,
Yes, sir.
या टॉपिक काय घेतलं तुम्ही? कुठल्या विषयामध्ये आवड आहे? नॉवेल, पोएट्री, ड्रामा, एसेज,
Choose नाही केला आणखी.
बस काय?
Choose नाही केला आणखी.
कधी चॉईस करायचं आता? आता आपल्या आवड चॉईस करायची असते का? आपण कशात मध्ये आवड आहे हे सुद्धा चॉईस करणार आहेत का? आपल्याला ड्रामा आवडतं, नॉवेल आवडतं का पोएट्री आवडतं, ही अजून चॉईस चालू आहे. मी कम्प्लीट झालं, अजून चॉईस चालू आहे.
Poetry.
पोएट्री, विच पोएट्री, कुठले पोएम आवडतात?
Johann Keats.
येस काय?
Johann Keats.
John Keats. See your topic.
Johann Keats, a romantic poet.
Romanticism in John Keats poetry. John Keats poetry. Romanticism in John Keats poetry. शिंदे. Romanticism in John Keats poetry. दुसरा शिंदे. क्षितिजा. लिहून ठेवा. मी आता हे टॉपिक फायनल आहे बरं का. सुजाता शिंदे, क्षितिजा शिंदे, व्हॉट इज युअर टॉपिक? क्षितिजा शिंदे, आर यू लिस्निंग? सगळं क्षितिजा
Yes,
शिंदे,
sir.
हा ऐकत आहे का?
हो सर.
काय कशामध्ये आवड आहे? युअर इंटरेस्ट इन द टॉपिक,
हां सर.
area of your interest. What is the area of your interest? Drama, novel, poetry,
नहीं अभी.
essay, criticism, translation.
सर डिसाइड केलेलं नाही. डिसाइड केल्यानंतर सांगते ना.
Now area of interest अजून डिसाइड केलं नाही म्हणतात. तो आपल्याला काय आवडते? ड्रामा आवडते का नॉवेल आवडते का पोएट्री आवडते हे सुद्धा डिसाइड नाही अजून. हे काय कम्प्लीट होत आहे आपलं. व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट इट इज. नेक्स्ट अतिक राज पठाण. अतिक राज पठाण.
Yes sir.
I will announce 1 or 2 times only. Otherwise, I will not announce and I will not guide you also. कारण आम्ही इकडं 10 वेळा अनाऊन्स केलं की तुमच्याकडून एकदा उत्तर येतंय. याचा अर्थ आपण सिरियसली घेऊन बसत नाही. अतिक राज पठाण.
Yes sir.
What is the area of your interest?
Drama sir.
Which drama?
Mm,
British drama, Indian drama, American drama, Caribbean drama, Asian drama. Which drama? Author? Any author?
T.S. Eliot sir.
Yes.
Eliot.
Yes, Eliot. It is poetic drama.
Yes sir.
Poetic drama of T.S. Eliot. Colon, a study. तर पोएटिक ड्रामा म्हणू नका, पोएटिक प्लेस म्हणा.
Okay.
A study, poetic plays of William Shakespeare. Poetic plays of, sorry, T.S. Eliot. Poetic plays of T.S. Eliot, colon, a study. Final?
Okay sir.
Final झालं का?
Okay sir.
झालं का फायनल?
हां सर आणखी एकदा सांगा सर.
बोल
पोएटिक
ना, तुला बोलायला येतं का?
पोएटिक प्लेसेस ऑफ.
Poetic plays of T.S. Eliot, a study.
ओके.
हा, आज
Yes sir.
काय तुझं टॉपिक? area of interest.
Tragedy sir. Aristotle.
Aristotle tragedy will not become the topic for dissertation.
Sir, autobiography.
कुणाची ऑटोबायोग्राफी?
सर महात्मा गांधी और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
See here, 2 autobiographies you have to take. Autobiographies of, take down, autobiographies of autobiographies of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. A study. Autobiographies of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. A study. घेतला का? Have you taken?
सर आवाज ब्रेक होतो सर. डबल सांगा सर.
Autobiographies of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. A study.
सॉरी आवाज येत नाही सर.
एवढा उशीर येत होता आवाज, आताच कसं बंद झाला रे? पायल,
Yes, sir.
व्हॉट इज टॉपिक युअर एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट? कोण आहे तुझं गाईड?
सर तुम्हीच आहे.
सांग टॉपिक एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट.
ट्रॅजेडी, शेक्सपियरियन ट्रॅजेडी.
शेक्सपियरियन ट्रॅजेडी. विच ट्रॅजेडी?
ऑथेलो.
ऑथेलोच घेणार का आता? मी ते हे दिलेलं आहे, नमुना दिलेला आहे.
नाही सर, ऑथेलो घ्यायची सर.
हॅमलेट घे, हॅमलेट आणि किंग लेअर घे.
सर हॅमलेट.
शेक्सपियर्स हॅमलेट as a tragedy. Shakespeare's Hamlet as a tragedy. Now you have to start collecting material, reading, writing. Everything you have to start.
Yes sir.
आणि स्वतःच्या हँड रायटिंग मध्ये, स्वच्छ हँड रायटिंग मध्ये आपल्याला सबमिट करायचं आहे. 60 pages. Remember, 60 pages you have to write in your own handwriting. Every day you can talk to your Jadhav. You can talk to your research guide. Okay? Thank you very much. We'll stop here.
Thank you sir.